Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope you all are safe at home. For today, our topic is about the movements of the earth. Children, we have learned that planets revolve around the sun in a particular path or orbit. Let's learn more about the types of movement seen in heavenly bodies. The earth shows two types of movements: rotation and revolution. Both rotation and revolution play a very important part in our lives. Rotation of the earth. When an object spins around itself on an imaginary line passing through its center, it is said to be rotating around its axis. The earth is spherical like a ball and spins around an imaginary tilted axis, and this spinning movement is called rotation of the earth. Yes, the earth rotates around an invisible axis. The term rotation means to spin around the same place. It takes the earth about 24 hours to complete one rotation around itself. Different regions on the planet get varied amount of heat and light from the sun. The earth, while rotating, is tilted on its axis by 23.5 degrees from a straight line running across the center of the earth. The tilt of the earth causes variation in day, night time at different places on the earth. The areas around the equator experience exactly 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. The duration of day and night varies as one goes away from the equator. The earth spins at 1000 miles per hour, and if it stopped suddenly, it would be hit by strong winds that move at 1000 miles per hour, knocking down all the buildings and everything that comes in its way. So children, now tell me, which causes day and night? Yes, the movements of earth, which means rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now let's see effects of the earth rotation. The parts of the earth which faces the sun receives sunlight and experiences daytime. The other side of the earth does not face the sun, experiences darkness, and so it is night there. Thus, day and night on the earth occur because of its rotation. As the direction of the rotation is from west to the east, it appears that the sun rises in the east. It is only because of the rotation that almost all parts of the earth receives sunlight once every 24 hours. Next, revolution of the earth. The earth not only spins as its position but also moves around the sun at the same time. As the earth rotates on its axis, it moves around the sun in elliptical path. Elliptical means oval. This fixed path on which the earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. Each planet of solar system has a fixed orbit on which they revolved around the sun. This movement of the earth around the sun in a particular path or orbit is called revolution. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours or 1 year. To account for the extra quarter day taken by the earth's each revolution, we have one day as 29 February after every 4 years. This 4th year with 366 days is called a leap year, which means 365 days are equivalent to 1 year, while the 6 hours of the each revolution adds up to form one full day of 24 hours, which is added to the month of February every 4th year. In this year, the month of February has 29 days instead of 28 days. This year with 366 days is known as a leap year. These two movements, rotation and revolution of the earth, creates variation in temperature, weather and in the seasons. Yes, the different seasons on the earth are caused due to the tilt of the earth's axis and revolution of the earth. Children, it's time to write our EVS classwork. So take your EVS classwork and take new page. Already we have done lesson 9, first and second Roman, right? So now let's start from third Roman. Now write third Roman. A in capital, N S W E R. Answer T H E. The. F O L L O W I N G. Following. Right, children? First question is C in capital, A N. Can. Y O U U G U E S S. Guess. W H A T. What? I S. Is. A G L O B E. Leave 2 finger space and write A in capital, M O D E L. Model. O F. Of. T H E. The. E A R T H. Earth. I S. Is. C A L L E D. Called. A G L O B E. Globe. Third pattern is answer A N S W E R. Answer the. T H E. The. F O L L O W I N G. Following. Answer the following. First question is C A N. Can. Y O U U. G U E S S. Guess. W H A T. What? I S. Is. A G L O B E. Globe. Can you guess what is a globe? A model, M-O-D-E-L, model. O-F, of. T-H-E, the. E-A-R-T-H, earth. I-S, is. C-A-L-L-E-D, called. G-L-O-B-E, globe. A model of the earth is called a globe. Write number 2. D in capital or A W. Draw A N D and S H O W, show. H O W, how. A R E R, D A Y S, days. A N D, and. N I G H T S, nights. C A U S E D, cast. Children, now draw a circle and draw some lines around the circle as it is possible. Now write S in capital inside the circle. Now use a scale to draw arrow mark. One by one, children. Now write a circle again. Right? Now divide the circle into two parts. Do you know? The right side of the part you have to give shading. So now you will come to know, children, the left side of the part is day, the right side is night. Clear, children? And can you guess what circle is this? This is Earth. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, Earth, right? And these are sun rays. These arrow marks are sun rays. Now write S in capital, U-N-R-A-Y-S, rays, sun rays. And can you guess what is this? This is what? Sun, S-U-N, sun. Okay, children? Sun, these are sun rays. This is our earth. The left side of the earth is day, and the right side of the earth is night. Is it clear, children? Yes. So second question is D-R-A-W, draw. A-N-D, and. S-H-O-W, show. H-O-W, how. A-R-E-R, D-A-Y-S, days. A-N-D, and. N-I-G-H-T-S, nights. C-A-U-S-E-D, cost. So draw and show how are days and nights cast. So you have to draw sun and sun rays and the earth. So the faces on the earth facing the sun will get day, and the other part is called night. Clear, children? Yes. This is because the rotation of the earth. Now write number 3. A in capital, F T E R, after, E V E R Y, every, F O U R, for, Y E A R S, years, W E V H A V E, have, 29, D A Y S, days, I N T H E, the, M O N T H, month, O F, of, F in capital, E B R U A R Y, February, W in capital, H E R, where, D O E S, does, T H I S, this, E X T R A, extra, D A Y, day, C A M E, came, F R O M, from, E in capital, A R T H, earth, C O M P L E T E S, completes, O N E, one, R E V O L U T I O N, revolution, I N in, 365, D A Y S, days, A N D, and, 6 H O U R S, 6 hours, A in capital, F T E R, after, 4 Y E A R S, years, 6 H O U R S, hours, A D D, add, U P, up, T O, to, M A K E, make, A N, and, E X T or A extra, D A Y day. Third question is AFTE or after, EVERY every, FOUR for, YEARS years, WEVHAVE have, 29, DAYS days, IN in, THE the, MONTH month, OF of, FEBRUARY February, WHERE where, DOES does, THIS this, EXTRA extra, DAY day, CAME came, FROM from. The answer is EARTH earth, COMPLETES completes, ONE1 REVOLUTION revolution, IN in, 365, DAYS days, AND and, 6, HOURS hours, AFTER after, 4, YEARS years, 6, HOURS hours, ADD add, UP up add up, TO2, MAKE make, AN EXTRA extra, DAY day. So third question is, after every 4 years we have 29 days in the month of February. Where does this extra day came from? Earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. After 4 years, 6 hours add up to make an extra day. Children, now take your EVS book and take page number 102. Now listen to me. The first pattern, tick the correct option. So what do you have to do? You should find the correct answer and tick. First one is, the movement of the earth on its axis is called dash. I repeat the question again, children. The movement of the earth on its axis is called dash. I have told you, earth rotates on its axis. So, what is the name of the movement? Is it spinning? No. Is it revolution? No. Revolution means what? Planet rotates around the sun, which means planets move around the sun. That movement is called revolution. But the movement of the earth on its axis, that is called rotation. So the answer is option B, rotation. So tick the answer. Right, children? Yes. Second question is, the rotation of Earth causes dash. First one is rotation. I have told you no. But what is the purpose of the rotation? What will happen if the Earth rotates itself? Option A, day and night. Option B, change in seasons. Option C, change in weather. Or option D, tsunami. The answer is day and night. So tick the option A, day and night. Third question is, the sun rises in the dash. Where, children? Is it north? No. Is it south? No. Is it west? No. So the answer is east. Where the sun rises? The sun rises in the east. So tick the option A, east. Right, children? Yes. Fourth question is, Earth moves around. Fourth question is, Earth moves around dash. Option A, the moon. Option B, the sun. Option C, the stars. And option D, the Saturn. So now tell me, children, Earth moves around. You know that very well. It's a star only. But what star is that actually? Option B, the sun. Not only Earth, children, all the planets revolve around the sun. So the answer is option B, the sun. Right, children? Yes. Fifth question is, which of the following statements is not correct about the Earth? I repeat the question, children. Which of the following statements is not correct about the Earth? See, children, they have given 4 statements about the Earth. So you have to find the wrong statement from them. Okay, children? So let me read the 4 options. Option A, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Option B, it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Option C, its movement around the sun in a fixed orbit is called rotation. And option D, it spins from west to east. So children, now listen to me carefully. Option A, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That is right answer. Option B, it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. That is also correct only. And the last one, it spins from west to east. That is true only, children. So the wrong statement is option C, its movement around the sun in a fixed orbit is called rotation. Children, do you know why this is wrong statement? Because the fixed orbit name is called, what is that? What is this, children? Yes, that is revolution. Its movement around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution, not rotation. So the answer is option C, Tick the answer. Now let's revise the first pattern once again. Tick the correct option. First one is the movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Second one is the rotation of earth causes day and night. The third one is the sun rises in the east. Fourth one is earth moves around the sun. Fifth one is which of the following statements is not correct about the earth is it's option C, its movement around the sun in a fixed orbit is called rotation. Right children? Yes. So shall we move to the next pattern? Yes. So now turn your page to 103. Now listen to me children. Our second pattern is read the clues and unscramble the letters to get the hidden names. Write the names on the blanks given. So what do you have to do children? You should read the clues first and then unscramble. Unscramble means what children? You have to rearrange the letters and then fill the blanks. Okay? That's it. So shall we start now? Yes. The first one is it provides light to the earth. I repeat the question again children. It provides light to the earth. So you know that very well. Which provides the light to the earth? We get light and heat from the sun. So unscramble the letter children now. First letter is S. So S, U, and N. The answer is sun. Right children? Yes. Second one is the revolution of the earth causes change in this. I repeat the question children. The revolution of the earth causes change in this. What is the reason for revolution children? If the earth revolves around the sun means what will happen? It changes in the seasons. Right children? Yes. So say, can you say the spelling for seasons? S E A S O N and S. Season. The answer is seasons. Right children? Yes. Third one is this covers about 3/4 surface of the earth. I repeat the question again children. This covers about 3/4 surface of the earth. I have told you know our earth is covered with what children? Water and land. But 3/4 of our earth is covered with water. The answer is water. Can you say the spelling for water? S W A T E and R. Water. Fourth one is the sun sets in this direction. I repeat the question again children. The sun sets in this direction. Say the answer, children. Where the sun sets? The sun sets in the west, right? So the answer is west. Can you say the spelling for that? W E S and T. The answer is west. Fifth one is, the earth is of this shape. I repeat the question again, children. The earth is of this shape. What is the shape of the earth, children? Is it circle, which means round? The answer is round. Can you say the spelling for round? R O U N and D. Okay, the answer is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. Right, children? So now let's revise the second pattern once again. Right? Second pattern is, read the clues and unscramble the letters to get the hidden names. Write the names on the blanks given. First one is, it provides light to the earth. Which provides light to the earth? The answer is sun. The revolution of the earth causes change in this seasons. This covers about 3/4 surface of the earth, water. The sun sets in this direction. Answer is west. The earth is of this shape is round. What is that? Round shape. Clear, children? Shall we move to the next pattern? Yes. Our third pattern is true or false. Our third pattern is true or false. First one is, earth spins on its axis. Earth spins on its axis. Is it true or false, children? True only. So write true. T or U-E, true. Second one is, the revolution of the earth causes day and night. I repeat the question again, children. The revolution of the earth causes day and night. Is it true? No. Revolution of the earth causes only seasons. Change in seasons only. So the answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Third one is, the earth takes 24 hours to complete one revolution. Is it true, children? I repeat the question again. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one revolution. Is it true? No. Listen the question carefully, children. Revolution. Revolution means earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. So the statement is false only. F-A-L-S-E, false. Right, children? Yes. Fourth one is, the earth is flat in shape. The earth is flat in shape. Children, now only I said the shape of the earth is round. So the statement also false only. So write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Fifth one is, the part of the earth facing the sun has night and the opposite part has day. I repeat the question, children. The part of the earth facing the sun has night and the opposite part has day. Is it true? No. This statement is wrong only because children, the part of the earth facing the sun will get day only, brightness only, no. And the opposite side only will get night. So the statement is also false. Okay children? Yes. Shall we revise the pattern once again? Yes. First one. Earth spins on its axis is true. Thus, revolution of the earth causes day and night is false. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one revolution is false. Earth is flat in shape is false. The part of the earth facing the sun has night and opposite part has day is false only. Right children? Yes. Shall we move to the next pattern? Yes. Listen to me children. This is your answer the question. But you no need to do this because we are going to do the question and answer in our classwork. So what you have to do? You just have to strike out this pattern D and E. Okay? Yes. Okay children. Now take page number 104. In this page you are going to do an activity. This is what your homework. Do you know what you have to do? Color the part of the earth yellow that has day and the part black that has night. Color the sun also yellow. See children, very simple. See the picture. One is sun and the another one is earth. So what do you have to do? You just have to color them. Okay, one is for sun yellow color and you have to draw the arrow marks. Okay, and you have to divide the earth into two parts. Okay, two parts. One is day and another one is night. For day you have to give yellow color and for night you have to give black color. That's all children. This is what your homework. Okay, this activity is your homework.